Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the Essential Bleeding Control Pack featuring the Trauma Refill Kit Med Pack, a compact powerhouse designed for emergencies during outdoor adventures, hunting, camping, travel, and more. This IFAK Trauma First Aid Kit is uniquely customized to get you well prepared with high-quality waterproof polyester and stable double zippers, measuring just 8 inches high, 4.5 inches wide, and 3.8 inches deep. Inside, you'll find a vented chest seal, Israeli bandage, Gen-12 tourniquets, a splint, compressed gauze, an emergency blanket, bandages, wound dressing, and scissors, among other vital supplies. Its portability is unmatched, fitting into any size med pouch, small backpack pocket, glove box, center console, drawer, small purse, or even a jacket pocket, making it the smallest IFAK trauma kit on Amazon. Designed to save lives and treat everyday wounds, this kit contains popular and highly regarded first aid supplies that are safe, reliable, and recognized by customers. Whether you're a first responder or just want peace of mind on your adventures, this kit ensures you're always ready for the unexpected. Stay prepared and stay safe with the PATVOTOP First Aid Products, your trusted partner in emergency readiness. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.